As a kid, I always wanted to make stuff. Being a graduate of Clover Park and now being an instructor here, I can really make the program the way I wanted it to be when I was a student.
Education 4.0 is tied intrinsically with Industry 4.0. Every time we have had an industrial revolution, there has been a corresponding revolution in education to meet the needs of the workforce.
A huge part of a technical college's mission is to employ people. Companies want durable skills. It's creativity, it's problem solving, it's critical thinking, it's being able to work with people and communicate well. We teach the entire workflow of CAD, CAM, and CNC. And then taking it a step further, let's put a robot on it. How do we automate this? It's good to be able to teach the old school fundamentals, but also understand where the future of the industry is going and be able to teach to that. Originally, we were on separate platforms, so we had separate pieces of software for CAD and CAM. What Fusion 360 allowed us to do is have that integrated workflow. We switched about 2 years ago, and it was kind of night and day. We almost doubled the amount of projects that students were able to do just because it's that much easier and more accessible for people. Students can do this at home on low-powered computers through the internet, and there's a lot of good resources out there too that students use all the time on YouTube and other places.
Working with Fusion 360 at Clover Park has kind of opened my eyes to how intuitive it is and user-friendly. I've used a couple other programs, and Fusion 360 is my go-to.
I thought it would be completely over my head, and I started watching videos, and I got into it, and I started playing around with the settings, and it's incredible. I love it.
Fusion's changed the way that we interact with students. I can just hop in a file with a student real quick. We can work on it together. We can collaborate. Students can collaborate as teams, which is really powerful.
Students design out their concepts in Fusion 360 first. What that gives us is the ability to kind of like rapidly prototype through the application of 3D printing. So students can design something, print something, they can show us that part, we can give them feedback, and then they can update the model accordingly. Fusion 360 greatly accelerates a student's ability to be successful in the program, but also be successful in building the skill set necessary to understand how to collaborate with others. We have students that are veterans, we have students that are fresh out of high school, we have students that have been working in another industry for 20 years and they're looking to make a horizontal shift into a new career field. We have students that have been working at a lower level that are coming back to school to obtain higher level skill set for a higher paying position or more career advancement.
I'd say half the students are creative on their own. That's kind of why they get into this. They have ideas of what they want to make. They just need the skills and know how to do it. And the other half, you just need to give them the tools for them to understand how to be creative. Like, it's a skill, it's a technique, it's a learned thing, and it can be improved upon. We're training not just for jobs or trades. We want people to make careers out of this and give them the tools and the opportunity to do that.